How's it going, guys? This is Ozzy, HPP Racing. As you can see, I got a bunch of stuff going on here in the shop. I want to take a few minutes just to take a time to talk to you about our build. It's our Classic Chevrolet HPP Racing 72 split bumper Camaro. As many of you saw on Street Outlaws last year, we finished about the middle of the pack. We didn't have our best year, we didn't have our worst. We were just like, hopefully we have a better year. You know, we had a little bit of bad luck with the engines. We got this car in pieces at first. We've now got Steve Morris racing engines. We've got Hart racing turbos. Now we even got Vibrant on board, so we got a pretty good team. So the way this was built, it was basically a tractor style turbo. It's 140 millimeter, good for 5,500 horsepower. We've never gotten the whole 55 out of it because of other situations with the car. We run no prep, we run on the street and on a no prep track. So we don't always hook up the best we can. But this year we've added a floating rear end. With that floating rear end, it's going to allow us to run bigger tires. We couldn't maximize it. Some of these guys are running 35s and 36s. It's about 2 inches difference in tire. Now we're going to be able to run with them on the same size tire. We added a 3-speed Rossler transmission. And to go along with the turbo, the headers were kind of shady. Now we got some nice headers built to it. On our headers, they're Vibrant stainless material with a billet collector. So it basically runs 2 to 1. And that's how we get the exhaust to get that turbo to spool. The turbo spools quick. You'd be shocked how big of a turbo this is. You would think it sits on the line, on the brake for a little while. Nah, it spools up real quick. I'm pretty shocked myself. I'm pretty happy with the car. We added all Vibrant hoses, Vibrant fittings, Vibrant clamps to make sure none of our pipes come off and we don't have any issues. Eric's going to be driving the car again this year, as you guys saw last year. We had a good year. Eric drove the crap out of the car. He's a good driver. The only thing we're worried about, we got to get this car A to B and be a little bit more consistent. Just all we got to do is cut a light, get A to B, and we're going to win some races. This team's getting better. This is our 2nd year at it. The first year, like I said, we didn't have too bad of a year considering the little hiccups we had. Now we even got a Steve Morris racing engine. With the Steve Morris racing engine, it made a huge difference. Towards the end of the year, it made us more consistent, where it gave us the opportunity to beat people like Lizzie, Kai Kelly, John Doe, several people we had situations with. So we had a good year. Hopefully this next year it changes. Here comes the dyno on. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Who knows, by the end of the season, we might even have kicker system inside the car just to add some weight so Eric can jam for those 3 or 4 seconds he's in the car. It might be funny. Stay tuned to more videos. We got a few more videos that we're going to make. We got Kamikaze's is coming up next. How Kamikaze's car was built, the stuff we used on it. We'll have that video out shortly, and we're going to start doing more videos on projects that we get done in the shop. I know a lot of you guys have been asking, put some dyno videos, put some of the builds you guys do, some of the projects. We're trying to get them all in. It's just getting into this new building has been difficult. Just moving our asses in here has been a hard time. But I promise I'll get these videos out. We'll start getting more of them out and just get good content to you guys so you guys can see, and maybe you guys might want to do some of the builds we're having done. You might want to have us do it. You might want to build it yourself, and you might want to find out how did these parts perform on the dyno. So I'm going to get that done for you. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Let me know how you like it. See you next time, guys.
I hear the shit that they're saying on IG. They spend a day talking about me like a groupie. Two-faced people hanging with me on a daily. To stay honest, they affect me like a fire on low-key. Two-faced, yeah, people around me two-faced. Two-faced, yeah, two-faced. People hanging with me on a daily. To stay honest, they affect me like a fire on low-key. They lie every time they come around. They show up with a two-faced mask on, riding with a team like they invited. Plague boy infecting up the vibe like a virus. And I don't wanna riot with them fake ones, nah. I keep it real with my day ones, yeah. Chasing big dreams, don't give a fuck about the lame ones. Working on my craft, bitch, I'm A1. Yeah, bitch, I'm A1. Looks like Barcelona, wear Ray-Bans. And nothing's gonna faze me. They can try maybe, but they'll just waste their time. Oh, waste their time. Oh, nothing's gonna faze me. They can try maybe, but don't waste your time. I hear the shit that they're saying all night. groupie, two-faced. People hanging with me on the daily. I stay honest, stay and flame me like a fire on low-key. Two-faced, two-faced, yeah. People around me two-faced, two-faced, yeah. Two-faced. People hanging with me on the daily. I stay honest, stay and flame me like a fire on low-key. No matter how high they turn the heat up, I will always reach the sky. Only I know the answers to their whys. I open up my eyes, and all I see are lies. Feed my eyes more.
I see the throne, I'm a gold proclaim it. Sipping out of gold plated. Chowder's cup, it's like I made it. Fuck who challenge us and hate it just for no good reason. Cause the boy turned executive like LA. Read this on a consecutive day. I'm in LA, posted with the weeders. Coming around my way. Smell that Johnny Blaze soon as you meet us. Woo, woo. All I see is too many backstabbers who perhaps rather pray to Black Sabbath cause they lack status. True. Sometimes you can't trust blood. I'm Aaron Judge +1. I put the glove on for a bust one. No regard, keep my guard up before I trust one. Yeah, I've been drinking, now I swerve fast. Got the keys, perhaps you're soft as a bird bath. Yup, you heard that? Cause I'll be damned if I ain't A1. Boss like Barcelona, man, you ain't
I hear
one.
the shit that they're saying on IG. They spend a day talking about me like a groupie, two-faced. People hanging with me on the daily. I stay honest, stay and flame me like a fire on low-key. Two-faced, two-faced, yeah. People around me two-faced, two-faced, yeah. Two-faced. People hanging with me on the daily. I stay
What you know about fishing?
You are filming that, right? All right, good.
Yeah.
Come on, man. Come on, man.